Yo, what's up guys? It's John from Promo Weapon back with another Canva tutorial and a free trial element pack. That link is down below. Go grab that. It's a drive link. There's a PDF. Click the link in the PDF and I will see you in Canva. Alright guys, so if you have went to the link and got the PDF and clicked into the link, you should be looking at this screen on the right hand side of the screen in Canva, and that's what we're gonna, and the one on the left is just a preview PNG, so I know what I'm building and you can see it and I can see it, we all can see it. Alright, so this is a pretty easy one to build, but in this template there's this circle with a mountain picture in it. As you can see, that is a frame, so we can change that photo out by just dropping any photo we want in there. So I just want to show you that real quick. If you come over here to elements and we type in whatever, nature scene, if I can spell, and go here to photos and see all, and we can just pick anything we like here. Let's just do this one and drag it right on top of that, and boom, you can see that that image replaced our mountain scene image, right? Cool. So that is see, let me drag this out of here. This shape right here that I'm dragging around, that's the actual frame. Like, so we can drag this down here and throw another picture in it, or this picture in it, or whatever. I just had it in this shape. So I built this shape specifically for this type of image. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and Control Z back to my mountain. There we go. So the picture on the left hand side of my screen is the one we're going to be putting together, and it's kind of easy but looks kind of cool, right? And as I said in my other videos, you can use these elements to build anything. They don't have to be what I'm building. Yeah, you can use this as is, but chances are somebody else is going to use it as is also, and then you're no longer going to be unique and you're going to have duplicate content. But use your imagination and a little bit of creativity, and you can do or arrange these elements in any number of ways. So let's get started just throwing this one together though. So let's move my mountain out of the way here and the clouds for a minute. Pull them down here, just put them anywhere so we can center this. Now if I just grab this, I'm going to come over here and do, just grab that. So I need the marquee select around all of those items. And you can group them if you want to move them all at once, but I'm going to go ahead and keep them separate. And drag that over until it snaps into the middle. And I'm holding Alt as I resize to keep it in proportion. And you can just kind of eyeball how big you want it to be. Maybe about there. Alright, so again, we're going to move this tree out of the way. Now you see how the bottom of this mountain is curved? I did that on purpose so that it would fit right down in there like that. And this wording is not text, it's just like I think it's a PNG file or a SVG maybe. Yeah, it's an SVG because we can click on it and see that we can change the color of that up here. So I just figured I'd put some placeholder text in there. It's just a quote I found online, but you can write whatever, use your own font, one of Canva's fonts, whatever. So let's do that. Let's delete that for now because we're going to put something else in there. This template is called Serenity. I just thought it a apropos name, I guess. This is a really easy one. Let's just take the cloud. You don't even need me to narrate this. You can probably just do it, but I'm going to anyway. I'm going to take the cloud. I'm going to put it up here, approximately where it is on the left-hand picture. And this cloud, move it up here. You can make it as big or small as you want. Okay. Now the trees, just line them up right down here, approximately placed where I have them or wherever you want them, because this is your project and you're going to do what you want with it. Move that down a little bit to where it's not up in the other mountain. And I have this one a little bit smaller. Now, text. Let's grab some text. So we go over here to the left-hand side, click on text, and you can add a heading and type in whatever you want. Mountains. I'm going to hold Alt as I resize that. Bring it on down. And let's change the color of that while we got it. Go up here to the this right here, the color. And I'm going to hit the plus symbol here on the left. And if you want to sample a color from your document, you can just get your eyedropper here. And I'm going to just click one of these trees. Did that work? That didn't even work. Let's try that again. Click mountains, text, color. Oh, there's that blue right there. Okay, cool. Alright. You see on the bottom, I don't know how familiar with Canva you are, but that's a zoom slider down here. Alright. And okay, let's type. We can either duplicate this by hitting this button right here, or if you want, you can go back up here to text and hit add a subheading. Your call. You do it how you want. It doesn't matter. It's all going to give you the same result. Mountain. What can our subtext be? Let's say, I don't know, I'm just going to type some stuff because I have no idea. Relax in the abundant beauty of nature. Isn't that nice? I don't know. And you can just, again, I was holding Alt. If you want to resize proportionately, hold Alt and move it up. As I move it up, I'm holding Shift to constrain the up and down, X, Y, whatever you call that. Now, if you want to change the spacing in between these lines, like I feel like I want to move beauty of nature up a little bit closer to relax in the abundant. So once you have your text selected, go up to the spacing right here and line spacing and just take it down a notch. Cool. This background is actually included in the element pack, but if you didn't have it, it's here. Let's create one. Let's delete that. Just click it, hit delete. Now click on the background, the default background. Go to your background color up here. Go into your plus sign, and we'll do a gradient. We want to kind of make it like that one, so we'll do a gradient. And you see it gives you several different styles of gradients down here. Pick the circular one over here, and then all you got to do is change your colors. These are your two gradient colors right here. So let's click that gray, and you can either use this to make it whatever color you want, or you can click your eyedropper and sample the color from your photo. That's about all there is to that. Alright? So the thing I want to make clear, and I've said it before and I'm going to say it again, you don't want to use these as is. I mean, maybe you do, but I want you to be creative. I want you to create something unique. And what would be really cool is if whatever you create using these element packs, you send me somehow, like, I don't know, via email, info@promoweapon.com, and I'll display them. If I get enough viewers doing that, I'll actually show them. I'll make a video with like a slideshow or something and show the different things that people are doing with these. That'd be really awesome. Maybe eventually we could get into having some contests or something like that. Whatever you guys want to do. If not, cool. John, that's a terrible idea. Maybe, I don't know. Alright, so what else can we do? We can, oh hey, yeah, this. So if we take the frame out of here, this is just a background in here that I just put in there. If you want, I don't know if you just wanted to like throw some text in there or something, you click that, change the color to whatever you see fit, and you could go ahead and overlay some text over that. Go to text, add heading, type in something, stick it up here. Let's make it a nice contrasting color. So you don't have to use the frame. You can if you want. You can make custom frames also for Canva and upload them. I'll have to make another video for that because I don't think we have time in this one. But here's another thing, guys. I want feedback. I want you to tell me what you would like to have or see, because I don't know. I mean, I'm making these templates because I enjoy it. For one, I'm a graphics guy, so I just make stuff as a hobby and for my business, you know what I mean? So I don't know, I just enjoy doing it. A lot of people don't. They hate the creative process. Are you one of those people? Or do you actually enjoy just going in and creating something? You know what I mean? There's all different kinds. So how long is this video going to be? What else do you want to do, guys? I don't know. This was really easy. This was a super simple one. Let me show you how to do some other stuff in Canva, I guess. So let's just kill all that. And let's say we wanted to keep these trees, all right? Ooh, here's one. You could take the same layout with the same elements, and let's just make this mountain bigger. Let's close this. Pull it down to where the curves are hiding. I want a little bit more in there. Something like that. That looks kind of cool by itself, right? I don't really know what we're going to do with the trees. We could make them, I don't know, kind of a blue-green color if we wanted to. Like put them down here, like so. Duplicate. Just if you wanted like a little row of trees or something down here. Also, pro tip, if you hold down the Alt while you're dragging an element, it will duplicate it. Just like so. Pro tip. I'm sorry, I'm insane. Alright, so we'll drag these like over here or something. Little grove of trees, right? Get rid of that one. Have a nice hefty cloud up here with maybe a smaller one. Throw those over here. Now that's a good base for something, right? You could throw some text in there. You could throw an image back there. I don't know what kind of image you throw back there. Let's see what we got. Elements. Mountain scene. I have no idea, guys. I'm just winging it. Just for some creative process, some creative thought. See all photos. Let's go to graphics. Graphics, see all. More mountains. Because I put in mountain scene, obviously, right? What? Ooh, let's do water. Like a lake. I don't have any idea what happened there. Lake. Okay. Let's do... I don't know what to do. I don't like that. I don't like that. I kind of like that. Make this bigger. Make this really big. Throw it down here. Generally, your mountains would be in the back. Hey! Okay, so let's put this here. Where's our mountains? Put this in. There we go. Now we're talking. And this don't have to be so huge now. If you need to see like the edges of an element, you made it really big, you can't see the handles anymore to resize it, go down here to this zoom slider and take it down to where you can see a corner. And you can drag it. I like that. And just like that, you created your own little nature scene. I don't think we need these trees up here. I like the clouds though, we'll keep those. Nice. Now, you can see as I click on this element that I got from Canva, excuse me, that I can't change, there's no like colors to change up here. Where to go? Up here, where it usually is. So, we can change the tone and the tint of this by going up here to edit, adjust. You can change the tint here if you want. These are not very pretty. It's not very pretty, John. Take the brightness. Now see down here, color edit. Click on this green. Now let's click on this a little bit more or less saturation. I don't know, I just don't want it to be too bright. I like the more subdued color. But you do whatever you feel like doing. You do you, guys. I'm just here to kind of show you how to do things and provide you with these awesome elements. So, it's looking pretty cool, right? What else do we need? Let's go to elements, type in birds. How about some birds? Why not, right? Cool. Or maybe they're flying in the trees, or up through the trees, or up past the trees. I don't like it. Let's put them up here. Cool. I don't know what this would be for in particular, whether it would be a social, we're just messing around. This could be like a social post or whatever you happen to be putting together. Maybe you're just messing around making some crazy artwork. Here, let's write something. Add a heading, and why not Serenity? Since that's the name of my element pack anyway. I don't like Canva Sans. Every time you type something in Canva, it's in Canva Sans, which is, it just gets on my nerves for some reason. That's not really the style we're going for. You see uploaded fonts right here? It's got a little crown beside it over here. That's a pro Canva account thing. But if you do get a pro account, you can upload your own fonts. Super cool to be able to do that. Let's go with League Spartan. And we'll change the color of that text to something else. We could do white with, and since we can't see it, right, it's over that white. So check this out. Click on your text, go up here to effects, and you can add any number of these effects. So you got outlines, we got lift, which kind of puts like a shadow behind it. We also have shadow, more like a drop shadow. Echo, glitch, neon. I'm gonna go with lift maybe and turn the intensity all the way up, just so it kind of stands up off of there. And I don't like how close the T is to the Y. I'm gonna click on the text to go up here to the spacing again. For some reason my zoom button don't want to work. There it is, now that I clicked off of it. Spacing, letter spacing. I'm gonna take that out a little bit. Just a tad. Cool, right? So we took my template from over here to the left that you can see and changed it to something completely different over here on the right. And that's what I want you to do with these templates. I want you to use them if you want, as is, or I want you to take the elements and create your own ideas. And I don't just mean for social posts. I do a lot of these things for Instagram, so I'm always in like 1080 by 1080, but you can go huge, horizontal, vertical, whatever you want to do. And explore all the different explore all the different kinds of templates that Canva, is it template or template? Anyway, that Canva has, and mess around with those. Familiarize yourself with the basics of Canva. I mean, here's the basics. I'll make it real easy. You got elements, which contain graphics, photos, videos, audio, mock-ups, shapes. We haven't even gotten into a lot of these. We will in future videos. Here's frames. Remember that one? Oh, we gotta type clear birds. Then type in frames. Frames, see all. They have all different kinds of frames and shapes. You can drop stuff in, like if you just want to grab this circle and then go back and type in, I don't know, trees. Go to photos. Drag this in there. Frames are awesome. I'm gonna make a lot of different shaped frames, kind of like I did on this mountain scene one, that fit into certain elements, because that's the kind of stuff you can't find by default in Canva, are custom things and things that match. Like, and I know, like I said, you can change the color, you can make them match yourself. I like to have everything in a nice bundle, so I can just go grab it, throw it over there, and grab it, throw it over there. And that's about it for this one, guys. I like to keep them kind of short because I don't want to bore the of you. And if you have any questions or comments, please do put them in the comments below. And I want to know what you guys want to do. I want to know what you want to see, and I want you to ask questions. I want you to, like, if you're stuck on something or anything, or if you just want to say, hey John, what's up, then do that. All right, so again, the link to the full element pack is in the description if you want to pay the $4.95. If not, completely awesome to me. Just keep on watching my videos. If you enjoy my content, I hope you do. I know I'm a little bit scatterbrained. That's just who I am. Take me or leave me, man. But yeah, let's get some engagement going on. I want to talk to you guys. So drop me some likes, comments, subscribe to the channel if you feel the need. Smash the like button. Isn't that what they say? You got to smash that like button. All right. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.